This is the story of Tomi and the Painted Wall, brought to you by stemcom Africa. Have you ever wondered what makes a blank wall burst into brilliant color? Join Tomi as she uncovers the secrets of how paint is made and where every vibrant shade truly comes from. Tomi visits a paint mixing factory where colors, oils, and science come together. Tomi and her mom stand in front of their dull gray, freshly plastered compound wall. A painter is setting up to apply a fresh coat of sunny orange paint. Tomi's curiosity grows as she watches the painter open a can of paint, leading her to wonder, but where does paint come from? Looking at the thick, shiny paint on the brush, Tomi also asks, how does it know what color to be? Mom suggests a visit to a nearby paint factory. Tomi eagerly agrees, excited to discover the answers to her questions. Tomi's aunt, Funmi the paint technologist, welcomes them at the factory gate and offers a tour. Tomi is thrilled, exclaiming she has many questions. Aunty Funmi begins by explaining that paint is like a soup made of colors, oils, powders, and a little magic. Tomi is intrigued by the mention of, quote, magic. Funmi points to jars of ingredients. She explains that pigments are what give paint its color. Tomi wonders aloud, pigments? Next, Funmi explains that paint sticks to walls because of binders, which act like glue. Tomi realizes paint is more than just colored water. When Tomi asks where colors come from, Funmi reveals they are made from special rocks, plants, and even insects. Tomi finds this both gross and cool. These are examples of natural pigments: ochre from the earth, indigo from leaves, and crimson from bugs. Funmi explains that paint is useful for making homes beautiful and safe, protecting walls from rain and fire. However, old paint with bad chemicals can be harmful. Tomi confirms that only safe paints should be used, and Funmi says, always. Tomi marvels at all the different jobs that rely on paint. She says, I didn't know so many people used paint. Funmi illustrates how paint works by drawing a diagram. She explains that when paint dries, the binder holds the color in place, like a net catching balloons. Tomi is amused by the explanation, declaring, oh, the binder's the superhero. Tomi asks if she can try mixing paint herself. Funmi hands Tomi safety gloves and goggles. Funmi pours yellow pigment, then adds red until it turns orange. Tomi exclaims, it's like cooking. Funmi agrees, calling it chemistry cooking. She adds oil binder, and Tomi stirs the mixture with a stick, making orange. Next, Funmi asks Tomi to test how different paints stick. Tomi paints one square with watercolor and another with her new oil paint. After drying, the watercolor fades, but the oil-based paint stays shiny. Tomi concludes, so oil paint is tougher. Funmi confirms that oil paint's durability is why they use it outside. Tomi is thrilled by the difference. Tomi returns home with her jar of orange paint and shows it to her little brother. She asks him if he wants. Tomi explains that paint contains powder, oil, and glue-like stuff, which is all science. Her brother is amazed. Tomi paints a small wooden sign for her room. It says Tomi's Color Lab in bright colors. By evening, Tomi and her mother go outside to look at the finished compound wall. It's now a beautiful bright orange color. Tomi looks on not just in wonder, but appreciation of the paint creation process. She says, paint is not just pretty, it's smart too. Take a moment to go through the worksheet activity, the word search puzzle, and find words like orange, pigment, and color. Review key terms from Tomi's adventure like binder, pigment, additive, chemistry, solvent, and watercolor. Discover more free STEM comics at www.stemcom.africa.